Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Project C1 and today we're doing some vinyl wrapping. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's not going to go in well. But yeah, I've never done it before, so hey, what's the worst that can happen? We just take it off, right? I've decided that I found a wrap on eBay, because of course everything comes from eBay, and it's like a geometric shape. It's triangles, like different shapes and sizes of triangles, that I'm gonna follow the rear quarter window, you know, the diagonal line on that on the body panel. I'm gonna follow that from the very top right down through the bottom corner of the driver's door, well, both doors really, and all the way back to the bumper. So without any further ado, let's go and have a look, see what we've got. So as you can see then, rear quarter's looking a bit plain. Kayne's just having a quick tickle on the other side, because we did that as a practice, I'm not going to lie. So he's just tightening that up at the moment. So I'm going to show you the process of doing this side. This is definitely a two-man job. Last night, off camera, because it's boring, you've seen me do it before, I've compounded and polished this entire panel, all the way up and round. I've even done the doors as well. As you can see, these rubber strips have come off, and it's looking really good without them. But as you can see in the last video, we've got the wheels on, the stone chip is on the sills. So what we're going to do now is from this point all the way up through that diagonal line up to here, all the way down and down here, all that is going to be triangular wrap. So what I'm going to do now is get some panel wipe. I'm going to degrease that panel. We're going to get the extension lead out, which is, well, it's already out to be honest, and the heat gun, and we've got a fresh scalpel. We're going to make a start on it. think it's safe to say Kayne's better at this than me. So the graphics are on the car, and I think the wheels, the sill, the graphics, all ties in very nicely. I like it. You can tell the bits that Kayne did, they actually look halfway decent, and the bits that I did, that, well, to be honest, look a bit shocking, but hey, whatever. That's one side. If we go around to the other side, here's one I prepared earlier, and I think that looks pretty damn good. So the graphics are on the side of the car. Are they perfect? No. Do I like it? You bet your sweet ass I like it. It's amazing. It now no longer looks like a basic bitch C1, and I think it looks really good. I think that all those people that when I shared that picture all that time ago on the Citybug group, Citybug Club, and all the other C1 related clubs, that said that no, you've ruined that with them black sills. Wrong. I think the black sills and the black wheels and the black graphics tie it in very nice indeed. I like it. To that end though, if you want to see more things like that, then you know what to do. Hit that big subscribe button, make sure you ring that bell, get notified next time I drop a video. Follow me on Instagram. If you really like this one, you can buy me a coffee down below. Or more specifically, you can buy Kayne a coffee, because the bit that I did was shocking, whereas the bit that he did was actually pretty good. So yeah, it's one of them, innit? Anyway, ring that bell. I'll see you in the next video.